A review on ARC suspension system after several months of my usage in Mahindra Thar CRD. Mahindra's original equipment ride quality for the front passengers are reasonably good. However, it is slightly bumpy and bouncy for the rear passengers, even on good roads. So before moving into the review, I think it is better to have a quick look on various components of any suspension system. The automobile chassis is mounted on the axis using some form of springs. This is done to isolate the vehicle body from road shocks, which may be in the form of bounces, pitch, roll, sway, etc. These tendencies give rise to uncomfortable ride. All the parts which performs the function of isolating the automobile from road shocks collectively called a suspension system. Therefore, the suspension system consists of a spring and a damper. The energy of road shocks causes the spring to oscillate. These oscillations are restricted to a reasonable level by the damper called shock absorber. In general, a good suspension system keeps the vehicle on the ground as much as possible. Now let's see what a leaf spring is. A leaf spring is a simple form of suspension in any vehicle. It is also one of the oldest forms of springing. It is to guide the vehicle along a definite path. And see, what's a composite leaf spring? Composites are well suited for leaf spring application due to their high strength to weight ratio, fatigue resistance, and natural frequency. Internal damping in the composite material leads to a better vibration energy absorption within the material, resulting in a reduced transmission of vibration and noise. And the biggest advantage is the durability when compared to steel spring. Now see, what is the meaning of a rolling? As you can see, the center of gravity of 4x4 is considerably above the ground, and due to this reason, while taking a turn, the centrifugal force acts outwards on the center of gravity of the vehicle, while the road resistance acts inwards at the wheels. This gives rise to couple and turning the vehicle about the longitudinal axis. This is called rolling. This tendency to roll is controlled by means of stabilizer called sway bars. Now let's quickly looking into the product review. Recently I have completed my upgrading of the suspension system fitted by the Mahindra original from the factory. Then see, I have completely modified the system with the ARC composite leaf springs, ARC gas nitro charge shock absorber system, and anti-roll bar. During the past 6 months of usage, I have noticed that the comfort factor of Mahindra Thar CRD has improved beyond my expectations. I have experienced better handling, stability, and road grip with original tires with a recommended 34 psi road pressure. Another advantage is the unbelievable reduction in overall vibrational level of the vehicle. And finally, the body roll is amazingly reduced. Therefore, I would like to thank Mr. Deepak for his extended product support, and I recommend this product for a comfortable ride even for old age people to experience the off-road fun. Thank you.